sing so loud to the one and only king that can hear us in every nation. He's the first to now, so everybody there for the Christmas birthday boy. He's the reason for the season and the reason we're believing, cause he fills our hearts with joy. The wise men do it, and the reason that we do it is the baby in the hay. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy